Hello. Curious about how to receive trade alerts directly in your inbox? In this video, we'll show you how to set up SMTP email notifications in MetaTrader 4 plus some best practices to ensure your messages are sent smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have a Google account. If you already have one, log into the Manage Account menu by clicking the 9-dot icon in the top right corner of the Chrome browser, then select Account. Navigate to Security Settings. Then, scroll down and find two-step verification. If the feature is already enabled, skip to step 4. Click Next, and follow the prompts to verify your phone number. Complete the process until you see the option to turn on the feature. Search for app passwords in your Google account settings. Enter an app name of your choice, e.g., MT4 FPS, and click Create. Save and copy the generated password, then click Done. Great tour! Now your email is ready to use. Next step. Ensure you are logged into your trading account in MT4. In MT4, click the Tools tab and select Options. Navigate to the Email tab and check the box to enable. Fill in the following details: SMTP server, SMTP, gmail.com, 465. SMTP login, your email address. SMTP password, the password generated in step 4. From your email address to your email address or the recipient's email. Last step. Click the Test button to send a test message. Confirm the dialog box if prompted. If successful, you will see the message mail. Test message has been sent in the MT4 Journal tab. You can also check the email in your Gmail inbox. The following is common errors and solutions. And that's how you send emails from MT4 using SMTP, a powerful feature to stay updated on your trades anytime, anywhere. Selamat Mencoba. If this video helped you, feel free to share it with fellow traders who could benefit from it too. See you in the next tutorial.